Alright, so we're gonna start off with concealing our eyes. I know my eyes look a little bit critical, but I've actually been doing like 2 looks, bold looks, and you know, it gets irritated. My eye gets irritated every time I have to, like, you know, wipe off, and I've been effing up for like 3 times for 1 look that I changed the look completely, and that was quicker, but it still irritated my eye. This one is like completely irritated, and this one is like, it doesn't feel like it, but this one does feel irritated. So I hope like the look that I'm doing doesn't mess up my eye, because again, it starts tearing up and I don't want the eyeshadow to get messed up. And by the way, can we just talk about like my nail breaking? I banged my hand and my nail went, and now I'm just here trying not to cry, and I'm gonna take this off. So for today's look, we're going to be doing a pink look. So I'm going to be using this one. You don't have to use this one, but just make sure you use similar colors that we're going to be using. And I'm going to be using a couple of these shades right here. So let me just go like this. Alright, I already finished setting my eyelids. I did it off camera because this video is going to be super long. I don't like to bake, but the only reason why I did that is because I already did a full face. So I'm not planning on doing it again. I do have a video of my everyday makeup look where I teach you step by step how I achieve this look. So I'm going to put a card up here. Just click on it and it will direct you to that video. So let's start. I'm gonna go ahead and use a blending brush. This is the Bdellium 2785, and I'm gonna start off with Tongue Pop. I'm not even gonna put it up, and I'm gonna work it on the crease area. Again, from the inner to the outer. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use a little bit of Cavity, and I'm just gonna like stamp on the lid. Literally a little bit of cavity, a little bit of cavity. Just stomp on it. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use this brush right here, which you can tell by the color. I already used it already. I'm gonna use Prick, and a prick literally is gonna go all over the lid. That's all you're doing, putting it all over the lid. Obviously it's not a lot of steps to do on this look, and I feel like it's so summer vibes, honestly, like summer night vibes, like Havana night. Try to just stamp on the lid. You don't have to do much, but just stamp on it. Because then we're going to go with an liner. You don't have to use this. You don't have to use an eyeliner, to be honest. Like for these type of looks, I don't like using eyeliner because this is more of a circular look. This is like a neon coral look. It's like, it's giving me so much summer vibes. However, I hate summer. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry for those of you who love summer. I'm gonna go back with Cavity, by the way. For those of you who love summer, I am extremely sorry. I just don't like it because of the humidity in New York City. It's the worst. Like the worst. I don't like it. I just don't like the summer. So I'm gonna go back and pat it down. After blending it out, literally I just leave it like that, and then I go back with the underneath the eye and I swipe this off. Again, I'm just letting you in advance, I don't really like baking. That's why I always make sure to do my eyes first before I even do my foundation or anything else. But because I actually did a look just now for Instagram, I didn't take my whole makeup off. I just decided to leave it, and I just set under the eyes just in case there's fallout, but I didn't put too much, and there wasn't much fallout, to be honest. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with this is broken, honestly, a smaller dense brush, and I'm gonna use Tongue Pop and Cavity, mixing it together and apply it underneath it. That's pretty much it with the eyes. You don't really have to do much, honestly. You could just pop some lashes or even eyeliner. So in this case, I did upload a picture doing the liner, but for this part, I really don't want to put a liner because I really love it like this. So I think I'm gonna just leave it like this for you guys, unless, you know what, I could do a liner. I just feel like it looks stunning like this, and then you just pop some lashes and it's like, whoa. So for the matter of this video, so for this section, I'm gonna try and like, I'm using the NYX matte liquid liner. It's like literally the best. I'm gonna like try not to talk for this. So what I do is like, I start from the inner to the outer like this. Right, and then I go in on the like end, and I just go up like that, literally like from the end of the brow down. Like that should be like your imaginary line that you have to follow. And that's pretty much it for the liner. Like, I don't really do much to it. Sometimes I do drag it a lot more if I wanted to make it look like a little bit more straight. But in this case, like I said, I would love to wear this without liner, but since I did upload a video, not a video, a picture on Instagram with liner, and people were asking me to post a video on how I recreate it, a whole minute video. So here I am doing it for you guys, and also for YouTube. So you already know. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye, and then I'll come back and put the lashes. I'm back. So for you guys, it was like literally 1 second. For me, it was like 3 minutes. Okay, so I finished with the eyeliner. I'm pretty sure they don't look like sisters right now. They look like more like cousins. But you know, sometimes eyeliner doesn't come out the way you want it, and I swear to everything, like my eye feels extremely irritated that I'm like, yeah, I'm not touching it. The lash glue that I'm using is the super strong hold from Kiss, and I'm using the Loft Layer lashes in S4D, I believe. I love these lashes, honestly. I extremely love these lashes, and let me put this on. I love these lashes because you don't really like need eyeliner or anything in that matter. Alright, so as you can see, lashes always finishes the look together. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on. So if you guys want a more in-depth video on how I apply the lashes, comment down below. Let me know if you guys really want to see that. I could definitely do it for you guys. Or even like plumped up lips, like, you know, make them look juicy and big without having to get lip injections, of course. Because I know nowadays lip injections are pricey. Okay, so now I finished doing my bottom lashes off camera. I know some people don't like to put mascara on the bottom lashes. I totally get that, understand, whatever floats your boat. But if you want to go ahead and apply mascara underneath your lashes, you can go ahead and do that. The one that I actually use is the Total Tease CoverGirl. But yeah, this is pretty much it for the look today. It was very simple, very like summer nights, neon. It's like screaming summer nights, like Havana nights. So I feel like this is extremely beautiful, very, very bold on the eyes, but then again, it's very simple on the lips, on the face. It's literally something that you can pull off for the summer, especially like going out. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a like if you enjoy this tutorial. I know it's pretty quick and simple. I try to make it as simple as possible just because I know all these colorful looks for Pride Month, they're so beautiful out there, but sometimes it's really hard to achieve, especially like if you're starting off with makeups. And I'm really trying to be like very self-explanatory and at the same time minimal, so you guys can go ahead and achieve the same looks. Comment down below for any other videos, any other suggestions, any other looks you would want me to recreate. And also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Of course, if you actually do subscribe to my channel, don't forget to press that bell button so you can get notified every time I upload. So I'll see you guys on Friday.